Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a realistic painting effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is right click on the brush tool and select the mixer brush tool. In the general brushes, select soft round and put the hardness to 80%. Make sure this setting is turned off and this setting is turned on. Put the setting to moist. Leave the wet, load and mix to the default settings and put the flow to 57. Set the smoothing to 0%, make sure to select sample all layers and to turn this on. Create a new layer, see how your brush looks on the canvas. As you can see, my size is a bit too much. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Let's start drawing on our canvas. Be sure to follow our lines of our picture. Make sure you're drawing on the top layer and not on your image layer. As you can see, his hat looks like it was painted on. We're just going to do this for the rest of the image, and the whole picture will look like it was painted by hand. As you can see, it's starting to look like a painting already. For the background, I'm going to make the top layer invisible, duplicate our bottom layer, make the bottom layer invisible, add a new layer, grab a brush and make it a bigger size, and on the new layer start drawing the background. Just continue what you were doing before. The result will look something like this. You can better mix the subject with our background by grabbing the mixer brush and just going over the edges like this. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.